You're welcome to this PAWS tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be giving you guys the complete and full guide on how you can connect your wallet on the PAWS website, how you can connect your Ton wallet as well as your Solana wallet using the Phantom app. So guys, I'll show you guys how you can do that now. So just make sure you hang on to the end of this video. So guys, let's get started. As you can see here, I'm on the PAWS mining app. Here's the homepage of my PAWS mining app on Telegram. So let me tap on N. Let me go over to the N section. Then let me tap on in-game. So I will see the tags that are there. So guys, now under the in-game, you can see where it is written connect wallets via web. That means connect your wallet using the PAWS website. So let me tap on start so I can start the process. Let me tap on it. So right here, you have to decide which browser that you want to use. So let me choose my Chrome browser. As you can see now, it's directing me to the PAWS website. You can see it's loading up. Let's just wait for a few seconds. So guys, now you can see we have logged into the PAWS website. So now the next step you have to take now is to tap on the drop down icon. You can see it's right there. So guys, you can see here we have two wallets to connect. The first one is the Ton wallet, while the second one is the Solana wallet, which is a Sol wallet. So let me start by connecting my Ton wallet. So let me tap on where it is written connect Ton wallet. Let me tap on it. Right here now you have to connect your wallet, so you have to decide which Ton wallet that you want to use. You can decide to use your Telegram wallet, or you can decide to use any of these options that are available here like Ton Keeper, or you want to see all the available wallets, you tap on where it is written view wallets. So let me tap on it. You can see these are the available wallets that you can connect actually. So let me go back now. I want to connect my Telegram wallet. Let me tap on where it is written open wallet in Telegram. Let me tap on it. I want to connect that. You can see now it's opening it. You can see what's written there. PAWS wants to connect, so let me tap on connect down there. So I give it the permission. Let me tap on connect. So let me go ahead now to input my passcode. You might not see this step if your wallet does not have a passcode. So let me input mine since mine has it. Wow guys, can now see PAWS now connected. I've now been able now to connect my Ton wallet. So guys, what I have to do now is to go back now. Let me tap back so I get back to the PAWS website. Let me tap back. So guys, now you can see now my wallet has been connected. You can see my wallet address right there. The arrow is pointing at it. This is to show that I've connected my Ton wallet. So now the next step now is to actually connect my Sol wallet. You can see where it is written connect Sol wallet. So let me tap on it right away. Let me tap on it. Here's the next step. You can see what's written there. Connect Solana wallet. Choose an app to authorize the wallet. So let's go ahead now to choose the Phantom wallet. Let me tap on the Phantom app right away. Let's choose the Phantom app. Here's the next step. You can see Phantom Connect. You can see we have two options here. The first one is Connect Phantom Wallet. The second one there is Install Phantom Wallet. So if you have not installed the Phantom Wallet, you have to go for the second option. But if you have installed it, if it's in your phone, then you tap on the first one, which is Connect Phantom Wallet. But in this video, I have not installed the Phantom Wallet. So let me tap on the second option, which is Install Phantom Wallet. You can see now it's directing me to the website where I can install the Phantom Wallet. You can see what's waiting here, download for mobile. So if you're using an iOS device or an Apple phone, you tap on where you can see iOS. But if you're using an Android device, you tap on where you can see Android. So let me tap on Android. Since I'm using an Android device in this tutorial, it's going to direct me to my Play Store. So let me tap on it. You can see now it's directing me to my Play Store. It's loading up. You can see right there, that's the Phantom app. You can see the Phantom logo right there. So what I'll do now is to tap on where you can see install. So let me tap on install right away. You can see now it's loading. You can see right there that started installing. As you can see, it's at 14%. So let's just be patient till it gets to 100%. It's fully downloaded. Then after that, the installation will begin automatically. Let's just wait. It's downloading. Just be patient. I want to take you guys through the complete step-by-step guide on how you can connect both your Ton wallet and your Solana wallet in your PAWS website, so you can be eligible for the airdrop. You can see it's 100% downloaded and it has started installing now. Let's just wait for some seconds. So guys, it's done installing. So let me tap on enable. You can see where it is written enable. Then let me open the app right away. So guys, now by doing this, now you've been able now to install the Phantom wallet into your phone. You can see now the Phantom app is opening up. Let's just wait. You can see welcome to Phantom. So what you have to do now is to tap on I agree to terms of service. So let me tap on that circle to tick it. You can see now I've ticked it. Right now you can see you have two options there. The first one is create a new wallet. So if you want to create a new wallet, you can tap on it. Then make sure you copy your seed phrase. Make sure you write it down and keep it somewhere safe. Then if you already have a wallet, what you have to do is to tap on I already have a wallet. Then you'll be able to import your seed phrase. So guys, let me tap on I already have a wallet. Let me tap on it. That's the option I want to use since I've created the already wallet before. Then let me tap on other imports option. Then let me tap on import seed phrase. I want to import my seed phrase. Then what I'll do now is to go ahead now to impute my seed phrase. Here I've imputed it, so let me tap on import seed phrase. You can see guys, my account is loading up. It's loading. Wow guys, my wallet importation has been successful. So let me tap on continue. Let me tap on continue again. Let me tap on next. Wow guys, can see you are all done. You can now fully enjoy your wallet. So guys can see, let me tap on get started now so I can get into my wallet. Then you can either tap on not now or enable. Let me tap on not now. Right here now, I've been able now to install the Phantom app. I've been able now to create a Phantom account. So the next step now is to connect our Solana wallet. So what I have to do now is to go back to Telegram. Let me go back to the PAWS mining app on Telegram. So let me go back now. Let me minimize real quick. Then let me tap on my Telegram to open it. You can see right now my PAWS mining app is opening. Now I'm on the home page of my PAWS mining app. So let me tap on N. Let me tap on the N section. You can see it's right there. The hand is pointing at it. Then let me tap on in-game section. Let me tap on in-game. Then under the connect wallet via web, let me tap on start. You can see it right there. Then let me choose the Chrome browser to open up the PAWS website. Let me tap on Chrome. You can see now it's directing me back to the PAWS website where I can connect my Solana wallet. You can see now I'm back to the PAWS website. So what I have to do now is to tap on the drop down icon. Let me tap on it right there at the top. Then what I have to do next now is to tap on connect Sol wallet. Let me tap on it right away, the second option. Then what I have to do quickly is to tap on Phantom. I have to choose the Phantom app since I've installed it. Then let me go for the first option, which is connect Phantom wallet since I've already installed it. Let me tap on it real quick so I can proceed. You can see now it's directing me back to the Phantom app. It's directing me so I can connect the Solana wallet address. Here is the next step. You can see connecting will allow this site to view balance and activity for the selected account. So what I have to do quickly now is to tap on connect. You can see it right there on the right hand side. So let me tap on connect. You can see it's directing me back to the PAWS website. The PAWS website is opening up. It's loading up. You can see the next step now. You can see what's waiting there. Last step to connect. Sign the message. So let me tap on sign the message. Let me tap on it. So you can see now it has directed me back to the Phantom app. So what I have to do now is to tap on confirm. You can see it right there on the right hand side. So let me tap on it. And yet again, you can see it's directing me to the PAWS website. You can see it's loading up. So guys can see now I'm back to the PAWS website. So let me tap on the drop down icon now to see if the Solana wallet has been connected, to see if my Solana address has been connected. Let me tap on it. Wow guys, you can now see both my Ton wallet has been connected and my Solana wallet. You can see the both address there, my Ton address and my Solana address. You can see it there, both connected. This is how it's supposed to be. So what I will do now is to exit the website so I can go over to the PAWS mining app on Telegram. So let me tap on exit. You can see now it's exiting me. Let me tap on stay in Telegram right away. You can see it right there. You can see now my PAWS mining app is opening. It's opening up. You can see now I'm on the home page of the PAWS mining app. So let me tap on the end section. Let me go back to the end section. Then let me tap on what is it called, in-game. Let me tap on in-game. So guys, now you can see under the in-game, you can see where it is written connect wallet via web. You can see now the task has been completed. You can see it has been marked good. You can see it right there. The hand is pointing at it. You can see the good right there. So guys, now I've been able now to show you how you can connect both your Ton wallet and your Solana wallet here in the PAWS website. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. Do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Bye.